negosyo, o kalayaan. Bayan mo sarili. Pumili ka!
I deserve an explanation. I need an acceptable reason.
What's your problem?
You really know what my problem is?
No, that was a rhetorical question. I don't want to know anything from you.
God, Caroline, move on! I will not move on. You don't get to tell me to move on. It's so easy for you to see that. Why? Hindi ko namatayan ng ina.
Pagod na pagod na pagod na pagod na ako!
Where the hell is my coffee?
Ay, coffee!
Celine?
Hindi ako si Celine. So stop comparing me to her.
Tigilan mo ang asawa ko. Hindi ka nga maganda at lalo hindi maganda yung ugali mo.
Boyfriend mo yan? Wala kang taste.
Akala mo lang wala, pero meron, meron, meron. Ang arte-arte mo! It's better to be maarte than to be malandi. Because being maarte is mapili, than being malandi is walang pinipili.
Okay lang. At least bitch ko.
Bitch ka lang. Ako?
Pataray ka pa lang, pasampal na ako.
Oh, talaga?
Yes! I slapped her 160 degrees.
Oo pala talaga tingin nila, no? Masama ka?
Masama ako sa paningin nila? Eh di tutuhanin natin para masaya.
Huwag mo ko iwan!
When you choose to love, dapat tapat. Kasi, kung mahal mo, bakit mo siya iiwan, ba?
Sasaktan mo siya, tapos sasabihin mo huwag kang iwan. Eh kung barilin kaya kita, tapos sasabihin ko huwag kang mamatay.